There's probably been a time when you took your rig down a skinny country road and you needed to make a hairpin turn off to the right or left, basically a U-turn. And you've had to go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth like you're taking your driver's test or something just to get around that corner. Well, I'm here to tell you, you don't need to do that. As long as you have a front-wheel drive car, sedan, or rock crawler, you can cruise around that corner like nobody's business. Let me show you how. So here we are in a nice Honda Pilot front-wheel drive. Nothing special, no weird differentials, no cutting brakes or anything funny. We're just driving up here and I have a notion to take a right-hand turn right here. It's a nice steep hairpin turn over to the right. So how are we gonna do this? Well, I don't think I can make it because I know the turning radius of this vehicle pretty good. So what I do is I pull up, leave it in drive, put the emergency brake all the way on. If a handbrake, just pull that handbrake all the way on. Turn the wheel all the way to the right. Then, give it gas. In kind of small little lurches is what I've found works best. And here we are, voila, facing right where we want to go. In the off-roading sector, what we just did is called a front dig. What's happening here? Well, we want to pivot off of our inside rear corner. With the case of the Honda Pilot, we just went ahead and yanked on the emergency brake and locked up both rear wheels. If we had a more equipped rig, we could just lock up the inside rear wheel, that is, if we had cutting brakes. Now we want the front two tires to turn the way that we want the rig to go, and then we want them to lose traction, not just follow the pre-existing turning radius. Once they start slipping, we'll be able to pivot off that inside rear corner. Now, a way to ensure that both front tires lose traction and slip without an excessive amount of throttle is to lock the front differential. Our Honda Pilot, along with most other stock vehicles, does not have a locking front differential, so we just need to make sure that there's enough throttle to those two front tires that they slip. If you like your axles how they are, then make sure you don't do this on hard surfaces like concrete or tarmac or asphalt. Keep it on the gravel and sand and mud. That's when you need it really anyways. Thanks for watching RedNeck Physics. Oh look, a forest fire. We better scram.